So since I bought the car, the main issue that I was having is it does have misfires, which I went ahead and basically kind of realized the misfires are pertaining towards the actual one of the codes I keep receiving, which is the camshaft synchronization codes, whatnot. And that's mainly the biggest codes that I've been facing with this car that I believe is restricting it from running properly. Along with that, it does have the low boost 30FF code, as these cars typically do when they go into limp mode.